we're going to look at dividing with fractions and whole numbers. So let's look at some example problems. The first example is how many 1/3 cup servings are in 2 cups of raisins. So first you have to draw upon your knowledge of how many 1/3 cups are in one whole. How many 1/3s are in one whole? So you have to remember that when you have a denominator, if the numerator and denominator are the same, then you have one whole. So 3/3 equals one whole. So therefore, you need 3 to 1/3 parts. So 1/3 plus 1/3 plus 1/3 equals one whole. But we have 2 cups. So if that's 1/3 plus, then we need 3 more to equal another 1, and 1 plus 1 is 2, so then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So our answer is 6 servings. Because 2 divided by 1/3 equals 6. All right, let's look at another example. So Angelo has 4 pounds of Skittles. He wants to give each of his friends 1/5 a pound. How many friends can receive 1/5 a pound of Skittles? So we have 4 divided by 1/5. So we're going to do this using a model. So I've drawn our 4 pounds. Now we're going to divide each one into 1/5 parts. We're going to pretend like these are even fifths. So I need to draw 4 lines in order for that each piece to be worth 1/5. Then we're going to count how many parts we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So 20 friends will be able to get some of his Skittles. And our last problem that we're going to look at. 4 students sitting at a table were given 1/3 a pan of brownies to share. How much of a pan will each student get if they share the pan equally? So in this case, what we're starting with is what goes first. So we have 1/3, and we're dividing that 1/3 a pan by 4 kids. So here I have my pan of brownies. Okay, but there's only 1/3 of it. So we're going to pretend like these are even thirds. Oh, those are terrible. Let's try that again. That's a little bit better. All right, well, we only have 1/3 of the brownie pan. So we only have this much brownies. The rest of the pan we already ate. They were delicious. Okay, so this is all we're working with here. Now 4 people need to share that. So we need to divide this into 4 parts because there are 4 people. And they all want to get the same amount, of course. Nobody's going to say, oh, I don't want any, or I want a teeny tiny piece. So what we're going to do now is we're going to take it and we're going to cut it into 4 parts. And we're going to do that by cutting 3 lines. So 1, 2, 3. We're doing it all the way through the pan. Okay? So this is person A, person B, person C, person D. We're pretending like they're all getting the same size piece. So what we want to know is what fraction does each of those people get? So what we have to do is count up how many total parts there are in the entire pan, not just the brownies. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So our new denominator is 12. And our numerator for each person, so if we're doing person A, they get one of those 12ths. Person B would get 1/12. Person C would get 1/12. Person D would get 1/12. The biggest thing for you to remember when you're drawing a model like this is you need to draw the whole thing, divide it based on how much you have, and then when you're separating amongst a bunch of people, you need to separate it the whole pan. So let's do another example. So let's say we have another pan of brownies, And this time we have half a pan left. Okay, so we have a half a pan. So we hadn't eaten as much yet. So all this is filled with brownies. Yum, 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 yum. Okay, and let's say that there are 3 people. They're going to split a half a pan of brownies. They're lucky they get lots and lots of brownies. Okay, let's pretend that's all colored in. So we're going to divide that half a pan by 3 people. Okay, so what I need to do is I need to draw and cut this brownie part into 3 parts, but I need to cut it all the way across the pan. So I'm going to draw 2 lines to get 3 parts. 1, 2. So now I have 1, 2, 3 parts. So each person's getting one of those parts. Now I want to know how much of the total brownie that is. So I need to count up how many parts that is all together, including the part of the brownie that was already eaten before we even started this. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So our denominator is 6. Our numerator, we each get 1/6 of the brownie. So 1/2 divided by 3 is 1/6. So that's dividing fractions and whole numbers. Thanks for watching.